Alright, see now. I saw your maybe phone or network went off or something. So I'm just going to, just drop video of the rest for you so you can complete it on your end. Question 4. Let's continue with question 4. Question 4 has, there are many questions in number 4. There are many questions in number 4. I'll start with 4A. Here. I'll start with 4A. Excuse me, I was trying to. So, I'll start with 4A. 1, 2, 3, 4. X, Z, Y. Okay. I'll start with 4A. 1. No, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, X, Y, Z. So that's first part of 4A. Then Y, 31. Okay, there's a line that goes straight up here and comes here. W and 21. So this is the diagram in 4A. Now this is a simple question. This is a very simple question. First, we can go straight to this place. X is equal to 2 times W. X is formed at the center on this arc, and W is formed on the circumference on that same arc. So that means X is equal to 2 times W. But I need to get W first. So I'll do W plus 90 plus 21 is 180. What does that give me? Okay, let me write my reason first. Angles in a triangle. So that means W plus 90 plus 21 is equal to 180. So W plus 111 is equal to what? 180. W plus 111 is equal to 180. So W is 180 minus 111. W is what? 69 degrees. I'm sure that's the value of W. So let's now go get X. X is 2 times W. Angle at what? Center is equal to, angle at center is 2 times angle at any point on the circumference. So that means X is equal to 2 times 69. X is equal to 138 degrees. I have X, I have W. I think I should be filling it into the diagram for you. 138, I found this myself. W is 69, I also found this myself. So we cannot get Y. Once I know W, I can get Y. X plus Y should be equal to 360 degrees. That's what angles at a point. That's sum of angles at a point. So 138. So 138 plus Y is 360 degrees, and Y is 360 degrees minus 138. Y is what? That's 2, 2, and that's what? 2, 2, 2 degrees. Y is equal to 2, 2, 2 degrees. So let's go get Z, okay? Y will be 2 times Z, you know. Y is formed on this arc at the center. Y is formed on this arc at the center, and Z is formed on that same arc at the circumference. Z is formed on that same arc at a point on the circumference. So Y should be equal to 2Z. Also, let me write. Also, Y is 2Z. Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. So I've gotten Y already, 222. That means 222 is 2Z. 2Z is 222. Z is 222 over 1 over 2. Z is 222 over 2. Z is 111 degrees. Z is 111 degrees. Now, question B. Question B. 4B. I think we got everything in A. Question 4B now. Okay, NGM SS2 Let me draw the diagram here for you. F, G, H, E, 134 degrees. I hope I'm correct. Okay, that's right. F, G, H, E, 134. First thing you need to see here is the E. E plus 134 is what? 180 degrees. Your reason for that is that both are angles on a straight line. So E is 180 minus 134, and E is what? 46. So I can put 46 here and circle it. I can put 46 here and circle it. Now, moving forward, F should be 2 times what? 46. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. So you write the reason yourself because of time. That gives you what? F is equal to 92. So this is 92 degrees. You understand? This is a radius, this is a radius. So G is equal to H. They are what? Base angles. G is equal to H. G is equal to what? H. Both are base angles of an isosceles triangle. So I can do F plus G plus H is 180 degrees. Angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. F plus G plus H is 180. Since G and H are the same, F is 92. So I can say F plus G is 180. I'm doing this because G and H are the same. So I can write G for H or H for G. So that's 92 plus G is 180. 92 plus 2G is 180. 2G is 180 minus 92. What does that give you? 2G. 180 minus 92 is what? 88. So G is 88 over 2. And G is what? 44 degrees. So G is 44 degrees. That means H2 is 44 degrees. So that ends question 4B. Let's go to 4C now. Okay, that space was too much. This is okay. Let's go to question 4C. Okay, A, B, C, D. 43. Okay, I can use that too. I just make my diagram big enough. .43 degrees here. A, B, C, D. Okay, I think that's okay. Now, vertically opposite angles are equal. So A is 43. Vertically opposite angles. Then C is A. A is C. And C is A. So A is C is 43 degrees. What's the reason for this? Base angles. So this is 43. This is 43. 43, 43. So we can get B now. Since we know A and C. A plus B plus C is 180. Sum of angles in a what? Triangle. So 43 plus B plus 43 is 180. 43 plus B plus 43 is 180. So B plus 86 is 180. B is 180 minus 86. B is what? 94. Now, after finding out that B is 94, B must be equal to twice D. Angle at center is equal to angle at circumference. So you write B is equal to 2D. B is equal to 2D. Angle at center is 2 times what? Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference, so 94 is 2d. If 2d is 94, 2d is 94, d is 94 over 2. D is 94 over 2. D is 47. D is 47. So that ends question 4C. Let's now go to 4D. UVW is 153T. UVW is 153T. Okay. UVW 81 53T. UVW 8153T. This is the center 0. So this is simple. All we need to do is say 81 plus 53 plus T is 180. What's the reason for that? Sum of angles in a what? Triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So that means 134 plus T is 180. T is 180 minus 134. T is 46 degrees. Now, we are told that these two we are told that those two sides are equal. But first of all, let's find u. T plus u is 180. They are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. We will get to the theorem, but some of them are already in this question. If you have, anytime you have a cyclic quadrilateral, anytime you have a four-sided figure in a quadrilateral, opposite angles will add to give 180. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So, what do we get for T? 46 plus U is 180. U will be 180 minus 46, and U will be 134. Now, we know U, we know T as what? 46. We know U, 134. And U and V are base angles. Sorry, V and W are base angles. These two are base angles, V and W. So I can say V plus W plus 134 is 180. V plus W plus 134 is what? 180. You know, sum of angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. So, and V is W because they are what? Base angles of a triangle. We've been told that two sides of the triangle are equal here. We've been told that this side is equal to this side in the triangle. So these two should be equal because this triangle is now isosceles. This is an isosceles triangle. So that means V is equal to W. So I can write V for W and I can write W for V. So I write V plus V. Therefore, V plus V plus 134 is equal to 180. 2V plus 134 is 180. My tank is running out of gas. So 2V is what? 46 degrees. And V is 46 over 2. That gives you what? That gives you V as 23 degrees. It's as simple as that. V is 23 degrees. So V is 23 degrees. W2 is what? 23 degrees. Because V is equal to W. W also will be 23 degrees. Is that clear? So that's 4D for you. Let's now go to question 5, which is the last question in the exercise. Says in the figure above, okay, A, B, M, and N. We should find a grammar and sets of A and B. Okay. That's not going to be too difficult. A, B, M, and L. A, B, and M, and L. So first thing in this kind of question is that we need to add to the construction. Let me add, this is O. So let's add to the construction. And call this place X. So very easy. If this is B, this place too will be B, base angles. If this is A, if this is B, this place too is B. If this is A, this place too is A, base angles. So this is A also. So this is A also. That means MOX is equal to 2A. That's because it's an exterior angle of the triangle. MOX is 2A. Also LOX is also 2B. Same reason. LOX is equal to 2B. Same reason. Same reason. MOX is 2A, LOX is 2B. So the obtuse angle, there are two angles at O. One is obtuse, this one is obtuse. One is reflect. This obtuse is less than 118, but the reflex is more than 118. So the question says we should find the obtuse. So we are looking for this one. We are looking for this one. That's what? That's what? MOL. Therefore, MOL is equal to what? MOL is equal to 2A plus 2B. And that's 2 times A plus B. We have found MOL in terms of A and B. So that ends the exercise. If you have any question, you can drop it in your comment or in the conversation.